Well, good evening, everyone. Box breaks by the Hoop Doctor. Second break of the night, coming off a really good basketball break, hoping to get football started off on the right note tonight. This is one of two football breaks tonight. I do have a matte football 3 black and 3 white blaster box break coming up later. Those auctions should be starting on eBay pretty soon. So if you like football and you want to have some more break tonight and you do not want to pay more shipping, you're in the right place, because now that you've paid shipping into this break, you won't have to pay shipping on any more breaks tonight. There is a big baseball break that's about halfway done, a bunch of mega boxes, so if you like baseball, check those out. Would love to spend the rest of the evening with you, but right now, hey, what's going on, Fallon? Right now, we've got 5 Donruss Holiday Blasters. Each one of these are going to have a rookie holiday sweater mem card and a green and red optic chrome rated rookie. So there's 10 hits right there that we're going to get on top of what else we're going to get in these boxes. We got a bunch of cards here, 88 cards in each box. Donruss offers some really good rookie inserts, such as Wide Hot rookies and Elite Series rookies and portrait rookies and the rookies and on and on and on. So hopefully we will get all of those big name rookies that everybody's after. For the new people, let me tell you a little bit about how I do things. Every breaker does it a little bit different. I do show all cards. I call all players by name. I also call out the team they play for. All cards will ship. All rookies, inserts, parallels, and megastars will at least be sleeved up, if not top-loaded. And I will have these cards heading your way before my post office closes at noon in the morning. All right, here we go. First blaster box. I believe that might be the mem card down there. I'm just going to guess the red and blue's in there. The red and blue usually makes the pack feel a little bit thicker, but the mem card's usually pretty easy to identify, and I like to open it up last. Going for some Raiders tonight. All right, here we go. Baker Mayfield Browns starts us off. Tiki Barber to the Giants. Keenan Allen Chargers. J.J. Watt Cardinals. Travis Kelce Chiefs. Shaquille Griffin to the Jaguars. Here's Henry Ruggs Raiders. And the first rookie of the night's going to the Panthers, and it's a good one. Chuba Hubbard, Carolina Panthers. First rookie card of the night. And we are off and running. Tremaine Edmonds, Buffalo Bills. Nelson Aguilar, Patriots. Calvin Ridley, Falcons. Austin Eckler, Chargers. Curtis Samuel, Washington. Zadarius Smith, Packers. We have a retro series. How about Mike Singletary, Chicago Bears? I actually don't think I've pulled this retro yet this year. And the rookie to the Bills, Greg Rousseau. Patrick Queen, Baltimore Ravens. C.J. Ham to the Vikings. Leonard Fournette, Tampa Bay Buccaneers. Peyton Manning to the Colts. Taylor Heinicke, Washington. Aaron Rodgers, Packers. Tua to the Dolphins. Rated rookie, another Panther, Tommy Tremble. Jonathan Abram, Raiders. D.K. Metcalf, Seahawks. Deshaun Watson, Texans. Julio Jones, Falcons. Next up is Jalen Smith to the Cowboys. D.K. Metcalf, Seahawks. We've got a throwback, T.J. Watt, Pittsburgh Steelers, and the rookie to the Browns, Owusu Kamara. Jarvis Landry, Browns. Jalen Rigger, Eagles. Mike Vrabel, Titans. Adrian Peterson, Lions. Michael Thomas, Saints. Joe Burrow to the Bengals. Deontay Johnson, Steelers. Rated rookie, Tennessee Titans. Dez Fitzpatrick. Still waiting on that first big name. Maybe it's going to be red and green optic chrome or sweater, but maybe we'll get another one before then. Rob Gronkowski, Bucks. Kenyon Drake, Raiders. Tyler Lockett, Seahawks. T. Higgins, Bengals. Dan Marino, Dolphins. Patrick Mahomes, Kansas City. Justin Jefferson, Vikings. Rated rookie, Detroit Lions. Amon-Ra St. Brown. He's a good one. Tim Patrick to the Broncos. Jeremy Chin, Panthers. Robert Woods, Rams. Oh, this is the green and purple pack. I saw it. Don't know who it is yet, but this is the pack with that optic chrome. Before we get there, Von Miller, Broncos. Juju Smith-Schuster to the Steelers. Khalil Mack to the Bears. Ooh, Jacksonville Jaguars. Now they've got about 4 rookies in this set. We know which one we want. We know which one we got. Trevor Lawrence. Green, red and green optic chrome mega hit right here. Congratulations to the Jaguars. Wow. Okay, call me officially jealous. The base rookie to the Browns, Greg Newsome. All right, that's what kind of cards I love to pull for those of you that's spending your money with me. Here's Brandon Ayuk, Niners. Nick Chubb to the Browns. Foyle Oakland to the Falcons. Derwin James Jr. to the Chargers. Christian Kirk to the Cardinals. Zeke Elliott, Cowboys. Joe Namath, Jets. Rated rookie. Going to the Broncos. Seth Williams. Charles Woodson, Raiders. Khalil Mack, Bears. Jalen Mills, Patriots. Darius Leonard, Colts. Alvin Kamara, Saints. Peyton Manning, Colts. Corey Davis to the Jets. The rated rookie for this pack to the Bucks. Rookie Kyle Trask, quarterback. Chris Godwin, Tampa Bay Bucks. Henry Ruggs, Raiders. Joe Mixon, Bengals. Myles Gaskin, Dolphins. DJ Moore to the Panthers. Rob Gronkowski, Bucks. Our first Tom Brady of the night. And it goes to the New England Patriots. Brady also has a card in this set for the Bucks. But this one, he is in a Patriots uniform, and it says Patriots. The rated rookie to the Texans, rookie quarterback, Davis Mills. Last pack, we got a rookie sweater coming up. All right, Marcus Peters, Ravens. Daniel Hunter, Vikings. Jesse Bates, Bengals. Will Fuller to the Dolphins. DeAndre Hopkins, Cardinals. Clyde Edwards-Helaire to the Chiefs. We're going to come from the back here. Here comes a rated rookie. The Panthers get their third rookie in this box, Shi Smith. And now for the rookie sweater, it's the Houston Texans. Nico Collins, rookie sweater. Single color. I'm sure we'll get some tonight that are multicolor. But we've got one for the Texans, and we're not going to complain about the colors. Nice pack for the Texans. Davis Mills and Nico Collins sweater card, but it's the Trevor Lawrence Optic Chrome that won that box for sure. Box number 2. Jarvis Landry, Cleveland Browns. Jalen Rigger, Eagles. Leonard Floyd, Rams. Russell Gage to the Falcons. DeAndre Swift, Lions. Quinnen Williams, Jets. Dak Prescott, Cowboys. Rated rookie, Pack 1, going to the Jets, Michael Carter. Not a bad one. This guy's playing a lot. Jets have at least 4 rookies in this set. Vera Tucker, Carter, Moore, and, of course, Zach Wilson. Here's Lawrence Taylor, Giants. Cole Beasley, Bills. Stephon Gilmore, Patriots. Ryan Kerrigan, Washington. Jared Goff, Lions. Larry Fitzgerald, Cardinals. Tyrann Mathieu, Chiefs. The rated rookie heading to the Browns again. Anthony Schwartz. The Browns and the Panthers both have, I believe, 3 rookies so far. Marquise Brown, Ravens. Harrison Smith, Vikings. Jameis Winston, Saints. Villanueva, Steelers. Josh Allen, Bills. There's the Tom Brady to the Tampa Bay Buccaneers. And another retro series, Paul Krause, Vikings. Rated rookie, Caleb Farley, Tennessee Titans. Mike Evans, Bucks. Darren Waller, Raiders. T. Higgins, Bengals. Dan Marino, Dolphins. Jeremy Chin, Panthers. Adrian Amos, Packers. Brett Favre, Packers. Rated rookie, Detroit Lions, Jamar Jefferson. George Kittle, 49ers. Myles Garrett to the Browns. Robert Woods, Rams. Oakland to the Falcons. Devontae Adams, Packers. Tyreek Hill, Kansas City. Looks like a Dominators. It is T.J. Watt to the Pittsburgh Steelers, the rookie. To the Patriots. Looks like Mac Jones to me. New England Patriots get their man. First one of the night. Hopefully more to come. It's our second of the, what I would say, top 5 rookie quarterbacks. I know Kyle Trask might say, hey, I'm pretty popular. Dallas Goedert, Eagles. Akeem Hicks, Bears. Derwin James Jr. to the Chargers. Christian Kirk to the Cardinals. T.J. Watt, Steelers. Emmitt Smith, Cowboys. Joe Montana, Niners. Rated rookie to the Giants, Gary Brightwell. Leonard Williams, Giants. This is Jordan Poyer, Buffalo Bills. Darius Leonard, Colts. Alvin Kamara, Saints. And we have a portrait. It's a good one. Terrence Marshall Jr. going to the Panthers. Now, if I had to bet, my buddy Neil, maybe even Roman, would both love to have that card just because he's got the NFL or LSU Pro Day outfit on. First time I pulled this card. That's pretty cool for the Panthers. Here's Justin Jefferson, Vikings. C.D. Lamb, Cowboys. Rated rookie. There's the aforementioned Elijah Moore, second Jets rookie. We still have the green and red Optic Chrome and the sweater to go in this box. Tremaine Edmund, Bills. Nelson Aguilar to the Patriots. Terry McLaurin, Washington. David Johnson, Texans. Amari Cooper, Cowboys. Russell Wilson, Seahawks. DeMarcus Lawrence to the Cowboys. And the Panthers get their 4th rookie, or maybe 5th now that I think about it. Chuba Hubbard, Tommy Tremble, Shi Smith, Terrence Marshall Jr., and now J.C. Horn. 5 rookies, and we got all 5 of them already, and we're not done with the second box. All right, Patrick Queen, Ravens. C.J. Ham, Vikings. Drew Brees, Saints. Tyler Boyd, Bengals. Here's the Optic Chrome pack. Marvin Jones Jr. to the Jags. Adam Thielen to the Vikings. And the Optic Chrome rated rookie going to the Bengals. Oh, please. Not Jamar Chase. Not a bad one. Chris Evans is not a bad one, but boy, if we could have got Jamar Chase after getting Trevor Lawrence in the first box, I might have got kind of loud. I may have woke up the cat, but we didn't get him yet. But I'll tell you what, Bengals, I wouldn't be upset about a Chris Evans red and green Optic Chrome. The Patriots for Madre Stevenson rookie card ends that pack. 2 packs to go. Leonard Fournette, Buccaneers. Jonathan Abram, Raiders. DK Metcalf, Seahawks. Jerome Baker, Dolphins. Robbie Anderson, Panthers. Chenault Jr., Jags. Taysom Hill, Saints. And the rated rookie, Green Bay Packers, Eric Stokes. And sweater patch card. We start with Roquan Smith, Bears. Joey Bosa, Chargers. A.J. Green, Cardinals. Jonathan Taylor, Colts. Jalen Ramsey, Rams. Kyle Long, Chiefs. The rated rookie off the back. To the Rams, Ben Skowronek. And the Mem, Detroit Lions, Amon-Ra St. Brown. Sweater card, once again, single color. Third blaster box. We've not made it to the halfway point yet of this break. Come on, Justin Fields, Trey Lance, Zach Wilson, Jamar Chase. Where you guys at? Here's Nelson Aguilar, Patriots, Foy Oakland, Falcons, Derwin James to the Chargers, Christian Kirk, Cardinals, Peyton Manning, Colts, Corey Davis, Jets. We've got a Legend Series, Drew Brees, going to the Chargers. That's interesting. Rated rookie, Joseph Osai, Cincinnati Bengals. Najee Harris, Devontae Smith, Jalen Waddle, Micah Parsons. We got a slew that we still need to get of top, 10 or 12 rookies, I would say. Patrick Queen, Ravens. C.J. Ham, Vikings. Leonard Fournette, Jaguars. Darius Leonard, Colts. Alvin Kamara, Saints. DeAndre Hopkins, Cardinals. Clyde Edwards-Helaire, Kansas City. The rated rookie to the Raiders, Trevin Moehrig. Jonathan Abram, Raiders. DK Metcalf, Seahawks. Jesse Bates, Bengals. Schobert to the Jags, Gronkowski to the Bucks, another Tom Brady to the Patriots. Inducted, Peyton Manning to the Colts. And the rookie to the Texans, Brevin Jordan. Roquan Smith, Bears. Lawrence Taylor, Giants. Cole Beasley, Bills. DJ Moore, Panthers. Zadarius Smith, Packers. Travis Kelce, Chiefs. We have a Gridiron Kings, Devontae Smith rookie. This is nice. These are hard to get, I'll promise you. And we just got one. The base rookie, our second Giants rookie, Azeez Ojulari. We're still missing out on Kadarius Toney, the biggest name for the Giants. Stephon Gilmore, Patriots. Marquise Brown, Ravens. Cam Akers, Rams. Hayden Hurst, Falcons. DK Metcalf, Seahawks. Aaron Rodgers, Packers. Tua to the Dolphins. Texans rookie. Another Nico Collins. We got a mem card of him earlier. Harrison Smith, Vikings. Mike Evans, Bucks. Keenan Allen, Chargers. J.J. Watt, Cardinals. Julio Jones, Falcons. Jalen Smith, Cowboys. Here comes the next green and red optic chrome. This one's heading to the Cowboys. Oh, be Micah Parsons, please. No, it's not, but we got a Jabril Cox. Red and green optic chrome to the Cowboys. And the base rated rookie, Jamin Davis to Washington. Darren Waller, Raiders. George Kittle, Niners. Myles Garrett, Browns. Calvin Ridley, Falcons. Austin Eckler, Chargers. Joe Burrow, Bengals. Deontay Johnson to the Steelers. Rated rookie, Green Bay Packers. Kylan Hill. We have passed the halfway point. Dallas Goedert to the Eagles. Akeem Hicks, Bears. Curtis Samuel, Washington. Peyton Manning, Colts. Marcus May, Jets. Baker Mayfield, Browns. James Conner, Cardinals. Rated rookie, Chicago Bears. Justin Fields, we got him. We got him. That's the third one of the big names. We have Trevor Lawrence, red and green optic chrome, and we have Justin Fields and Mac Jones rookies. Just past the halfway point. Plenty of time to get more. Tiki Barber, Giants. Tremaine Edmonds, Bills. Jeremy Chin, Panthers. Robert Woods, Rams. Zeke Elliott, Cowboys. Joe Namath, Jets. Von Miller, Broncos. Rated rookie, Cardinals. Good one, Rondell Moore. Jarvis Landry, Browns. Jalen Rigger, Eagles. Will Fuller, Dolphins. Joe Mixon, Bengals. Myles Gaskin, Dolphins. Shaquille Griffin, Jaguars. Henry Ruggs, Raiders. Carolina Panthers. Terrence Marshall Jr. Tell you what, Panthers, they don't normally cost a ton, but boy, it seems like we get a ton of rookies. And last pack of the third box, and it's the sweater patch card pack. Leonard Williams, Giants. Taylor Heineke, Washington. Deshaun Watson, Texans. Mike Vrabel to the Titans. Denzel Mims, Jets. Barry Sanders, Lions. The rated rookie to the Falcons, Frank Darby. And the sweater, Vikings, Kellen Mond. Another single color, but we got a rookie quarterback mem card, Kellen Mond. Congratulations, Vikings. Fourth blaster. All right, Stephon Gilmore, Patriots. Marquise Brown, Ravens. DJ Moore, Panthers. Cam Akers, Rams. Tua to the Dolphins. Zadarius Smith, Packers. Travis Kelce, Chiefs. Rated rookie, Patrick Surtain II to the Denver Broncos. Still waiting on Javonte Williams for the Broncos. He's a good one. Harrison Smith. That's Minnesota Vikings. Hayden Hurst, Atlanta Falcons. Keenan Allen, Chargers. J.J. Watt, Cardinals. DK Metcalf, Seahawks. Aaron Rodgers, Packers. We have an Elite Series. Bo Jackson to the Raiders. I have not pulled this card this year. That's pretty cool. I like that card. And the rookie, another Panther, Chuba Hubbard. My goodness. Leonard Williams, Giants. Jordan Poyer to the Bills. Tyler Boyd, Bengals. Jerome Baker, Dolphins. Oh, wow. There's a good one. White Hot Rookies. Zach Wilson. Our first Zach Wilson, our third Jets rookie, but these White Hot Rookies are extremely tough to pull. That is a nice hit for the Jets. Wow. All right. Marcus May, Jets. Baker Mayfield, Browns. Rated rookie, Dallas Cowboys. Kelvin Joseph. Devin McCourty, Patriots. Justin Tucker, Ravens. Robbie Anderson to the Panthers. Leonard Floyd, Rams. Russell Gage, Falcons. Denzel Mims, Jets. Barry Sanders, Lions. Rated rookie going to the Cardinals. Zaven Collins. Randy Moss, Minnesota Vikings. Sean Alexander, Seahawks. Drew Lock, Broncos. Joey Bosa, Chargers. A.J. Green, Cardinals. We've got the red and green optic chrome coming up. It's after Darius Leonard to the Colts. It's going to the Green Bay Packers, Eric Stokes. Rated rookie, Smith Marset, Minnesota. We've got some defensive guys on the red and green after we got a couple of offensive guys. The last two have been defense. We need to get back on the offensive side of the ball for box 5. Here's Jimmy G to the Niners. Odell Beckham Jr., Browns. Jonathan Taylor, Colts. Ryan Kerrigan, Washington. Daniel Sorensen, Chiefs. Darius Leonard, Colts. Daniel Sorensen, Chiefs. We get Daniel Sorensen 2 out of 3 cards. That's kind of interesting. And the rated rookie. This one's going to the Dolphins. It's Javon Holland. Travis Fulgham, Eagles. Allen Robinson, Bears. Jared Goff, Lions. Jameis Winston, Saints. T. Higgins, Bengals. Dak Prescott, Cowboys. Chase Young to Washington. Rated rookie, Buffalo. Carlos Boogie Basham. Cole Beasley, Bills. Stephon Gilmore, Patriots. Marquise Brown, Ravens. Brian Burns, Panthers. Johnny Hecker, Rams. Aaron Rodgers to the Packers. Ooh, we got an Elite Series rookies. Who's it gonna be? Baltimore Ravens, Rashad Bateman. That's a good one. The rookie to the Niners. Come on, Trey Lance. Well, we got Trey Sermon, San Francisco. Harrison Smith, Vikings. Mike Evans, Bucks. Michael Vick, Falcons. Mike Williams, Chargers. We got a bunch of Mikes right now. Julio Jones, Falcons. Jalen Smith, Cowboys. DK Metcalf, Seahawks. Rated rookie, Miami Dolphins. Jalen Phillips. I want Jalen Waddle. Raekwon Smith, Bears. Lawrence Taylor, Giants. A.J. Brown, Titans. Chad Johnson, Bengals. Xavier Howard, Dolphins. Tua to the Dolphins. Lazarius Smith, Packers. Rated rookie. Saints. Pete Werner. Pete Werner. And the holiday sweater patch card. Pack. Evan Ingram, Giants. Tre'Davious White, Bills. James White, Patriots. Dan Marino, Dolphins. We're going to go from the back. The rated rookie to the Giants, Kadarius Toney. All right, well, I tell you, I think he's got a chance to be unbelievable. Now the mem. Terrence Marshall Jr. We got his portrait earlier. Now we get his mem card. Looks like I skipped Jalen Hurts and Mark Brunell. Still, we don't have any multicolor patches. I tell you, it seems like that's all I've been getting. But tonight, we have all plain colored. So the Panthers, I tell you what, their team bag going to be thick. Last box of this break. Have a short recap afterwards. Really need to get Najee Harris and Trey Lance. I'd love to get a Micah Parsons. Jamar Chase. Got some work to do. Kirk Cousins to the Vikings. Bobby Wagner, Seahawks. Josh Jacobs, Raiders. Ryan Kerrigan, Washington. Jared Goff, Lions. Adam Thielen, Vikings. Amari Cooper, Cowboys. The rated rookie, Dallas Cowboys. We got him. Micah Parsons. Jalen Hurts, Eagles. Tariq Cohen, Bears. T. Higgins, Bengals. Dan Marino, Dolphins. Jeremy Chin, Panthers. Quinnen Williams, Jets. Dak Prescott, Cowboys. Rated rookie, Baltimore Ravens. Adofi Owe. Kenny Galladay, Giants. Mark Andrews, Ravens. Robert Woods, Rams. Oakland to the Falcons. Kyle Long, Chiefs. DeAndre Swift, Lions. We have another Elite Series rookies. We got Waddle. So I called for about 4 names in this box, and we already have 2 of them. The rated rookie, Amari Rodgers, Green Bay Packers. So I called for Micah Parsons, Jalen Waddle, Najee Harris, and Trey Lance. We've got 2 of them, and look at all those packs we have to go. Patrick Peterson, Vikings. Rob Gronkowski, Bucks. Derwin James Jr., Chargers. Christian Kirk, Cardinals. Larry Fitzgerald, Cardinals. Tyrann Mathieu, Chiefs. Jalen Ramsey, Rams. Rated rookie, Eagles. We got our second Devontae Smith. Kenyon Drake, Raiders. Tyler Lockett, Seahawks. Darius Leonard, Colts. Alvin Kamara, Saints. Josh Allen, Bills. Tom Brady, Bucks. Highlights, Odell Beckham Jr. to the Browns. And the rated rookie to the Lions, Amon-Ra St. Brown. We got 1 green and red still to go, 1 mem card still to go, and maybe another big rookie insert hit or something. Here's Tim Patrick, Broncos. Brandon Ayuk, Niners. Nick Chubb, Browns. Jesse Bates, Bengals. Will Fuller, Dolphins. Brett Favre, Packers. Villanueva to the Steelers. The rated rookie to the Browns, Greg Newsome. Charles Woodson, Raiders. Khalil Mack, Bears. Joe Mixon, Bengals. Myles Gaskin to the Dolphins. Tyreek Hill, Kansas City. Adrian Amos, Packers. We have an all-time Gridiron Kings, Drew Brees, Saints. Rated rookie to the Broncos, another Seth Williams. So I think we got a Drew Brees insert earlier for the Chargers. You might have thought, well, that's not right. Well, we turned around and got one for the Saints and maybe made up for it. Jalen Mills, Patriots. Marcus Peters, Ravens. DJ Moore, Panthers. Cam Akers, Ravens. Hayden Hurst, Falcons. Joe Montana, Niners. Devontae Adams, Packers. Rated rookie. To the Bucks, our second, Kyle Trask. And we're down to 3 packs. We know 2 of them's going to have hits. Here's Daniel Hunter, Vikings. Chris Godwin, Bucks. Henry Ruggs, Raiders. Keenan Allen, Chargers. TJ Watt, Steelers. Emmitt Smith, Cowboys. Here comes the red and green. It's heading to the Saints. Ian Book, rated rookie quarterback, optic chrome. That's pretty sweet. And to the Panthers, another Shi Smith rookie. So the Saints get a super sweet Ian Book. Julian Edelman, Patriots. Levante David to the Bucks. Joey Bosa, Chargers. AJ Green, Cardinals. Jonathan Taylor, Colts. Russell Wilson, Seahawks. DeMarcus Lawrence, Cowboys. Rated rookie to the Ravens. Tylan Wallace. And last pack, rookie sweater coming up. Fred Warner, Niners. Von Miller, Broncos. Jameis Winston, Saints. Laviska Shenault Jr., Jags. Taysom Hill, Saints. Marvin Jones, Jaguars, the rated rookie. Jalen Darden, Tampa Bay, and the sweater. Dallas Cowboys, Simi Fehoko, wide receiver. Well, there's the break. Not a bad one. Here are the Mem sweater cards. Fehoko, Terrence Marshall Jr., Kellen Mond, Amon Ray St. Brown, and Nico Collins. We got a red and green optic chrome Ian Book, a white hot rookies Zach Wilson, Jalen Fields rookie, Devontae Smith, Gridiron Kings rookies, red and green Chris Evans, Mac Jones rookie. Here's the card of the night. Red and green optic chrome Trevor Lawrence to the Jaguars. I'm going to get off here. I'm going to get ready for some baseball mixer, but don't forget there is a Matt football break coming up. Hope to see you in it. If not, I'll be back Sunday night. Thank you, Fallon. Y'all have a great weekend and take care.